Welcome back Techians. My name is Amit Agarwal. Welcome to Python Assistant. In the earlier videos we have seen a lot in Python and we have implemented that also. But today we are going to see a very interesting and very easy topic, that is file pointers in Python. File pointers basically means how to control the position of file in Python. So there are two methods in file pointers. First is seek and second is tell. So without wasting much time, let's start. So first is the tell method. What does tell method do? It tells the current position of the element or character in a file. For example, let's say we have written my name is Amit Agarwal. So our cursor should point at L. So this is told to us by Python with the help of tell function, and the syntax for tell function is f.tell. We are going to implement that also with the help of code, so don't worry guys. Now second function is seek function. So what seek function does is it resets and moves the pointer to the specific position. For example, if our pointer is at 7th position and we want to move our cursor to 2nd position, so we can do this with the help of seek function. By default the seek value is 0. The syntax is f.seek. In bracket we have to write n, where n is the value to be moved. So guys, let's implement it with the help of code in order to make it more clear. So here is our ideally, and let's say we have a file called story.txt. Alright, so let's start our working. So we have opened our file f.open story.txt, and let's say we open our file in read mode. Alright, we read our file and let's say x equals to f dot tell. X equals to f dot tell. So what f dot tell function will do, it will tell the current position of our pointer in the file story.txt. But we have not printed yet, so let's print that function, print x. So after saving that, we are going to get the answer as 38. Now you will be imagining why 38. So guys, in this file story.txt, just count the number of letters. 2 plus 4 6 plus 2 8 plus 4 12 plus 7 19 20 21 23 24 and 30, and count the number of spaces also: 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 and 38. Therefore the answer is 38. Alright guys, so this is f.tell function. Now imagine if we want to move to the 6th location, so how we can do that? We will simply type f.seek. In bracket we will mention the position, and after that let's say we again want to find out the location of our pointer. We will simply type y equals to f.tell, and let's say we have printed y. So in this case we are going to get the answer as 6. So earlier the position that was 38, now the position is 6. Alright, so this is basically tell and seek pointers in Python. So I hope you have understood these two basic concepts of file handling, file pointers, that is tell and seek function. So guys, that's all for now from today's session, and rest we will continue in our next live session. So thank you very much. Bye bye. And guys, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe Python Register for further updates so that you can make the most of it. Thank you very much.